Starting around 02 July 2023, STEPN generally is exchanging at 23 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.29%. In most recent 1 hour in a very significant manner. GMT has a for the most part complete market cap of $230,365,709, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $32,520,172 in a by and large huge manner. This generally makes STEPN, GMT, positioning at 127 in the cryptographic money market, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the STEPN cost forecast finish of 2023. What will STEPN fundamentally be by and large worth in 2023, which especially is genuinely critical? Is STEPN a sort of wise venture or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023? Which sort of is very critical. Will GMT cost generally outperform its unsurpassed by and large high in a truly significant manner? These are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT'(S) future, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2023. As per the STEPN estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the GMT cost especially is supposed to really cross a kind of normal value level of 26 cents, the normal genuinely least value worth of STEPN toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to for the most part be 25 cents, showing how might GMT cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Besides, GMT can arrive at a really most extreme value level of 30 cents in an unpretentious manner. STEPN, GMT, value expectation June 2023. The cost for STEPN in June 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 21 cents and 24 cents, really in spite of prevalent thinking. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to truly be around 23 cents in a kind of significant manner. GMT value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of STEPN basically is determined to essentially be at around a truly least worth of 22 cents, or so they truly thought. The STEPN value worth can sort of arrive at an essentially limit of 25 cents, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of 23 cents in United States dollars in a fundamentally huge way. STEPN value expectation August 2023. The cost of STEPN is most certainly anticipated to reach at a genuinely least worth of 23 cents in August 2023, exhibiting how Stepn, GMT, value forecast June 2023. The cost for STEPN in June 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 21 cents and 24 cents, in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. The GMT cost could fundamentally arrive at an extremely greatest worth of 26 cents, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of 24 cents all through 2023, kind of additional appearance. How is STEPN a kind of wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023? Kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. STEPN value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of STEPN for the most part is supposed to sort of be at around an exceptionally least of 23 cents, which certainly is very huge. STEPN cost can generally arrive at a truly limit of 27 cents, with the sort of typical cost of 25 cents in United States dollars in a huge way. STEPN value expectation October 2023. STEPN cost by and large is supposed to for the most part reach between 24 cents to 28 cents in October 2023, while the in every way that really matters, normal cost of GMT for the October fundamentally remains around 25 cents. STEPN, GMT, value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, STEPN cost generally is conjecture to basically arrive at a very the least cost of 24 cents in a truly significant manner. The GMT cost could basically arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of 29 cents, with the genuinely normal expected cost around 26 cents. So certainly is STEPN a sort of wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a very large manner. STEPN, GMT, value estimate December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of STEPN truly is most certainly anticipated to truly arrive at an especially normal cost of 26 cents, While the coin could exchange between a limit of 30 cents and a by and large least of 25 cents, which for the most part is very huge, STEPN in every practical sense passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The STEPN's cost for the most part has shown a very decent increment of 1.9% in the by and large most recent 24 hours, so besides GMT can arrive at a greatest value level of 30 cents in a truly significant manner, STEPN in every practical sense is confronting an exceptionally tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, or so they truly thought. The GMT is down to nearly 5.27% in the sort of most recent 7 days, kind of additional appearance how Stepn value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of STEPN sort of is supposed to truly be at around and especially least of 23 cents in an unpretentious manner. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for essentially past especially couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have areas of strength for exceptionally in any case. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in genuinely present moment, which generally is genuinely critical. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT really diminished by 43.433%, dispensing with an incredible pretty typical amount of 17 cents from its extremely current worth, which shows that on the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the STEPN cost forecast finish of 2023, what will STEPN in a real sense be fundamentally worth in 2023? Or so they for the most part thought. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a by and large great purchase and open door for genuinely fast interest in a genuinely significant manner. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 60.45%, and the cost really coursed from a fundamentally least lovely typical cost of 51 cents to genuinely greatest truly normal cost of 59 cents. In the very beyond 90 days, certainly further appearance, how the GMT cost could arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of 26 cents, with the especially normal exchanging worth of 24 cents all through 2023. Certainly further appearance how generally is STEPN an excellent speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. STEPN certainly is somewhere near 11.45% with the by and large greatest pretty typical cost of the coin, by and large was around 29 cents, and the truly least kind of typical value of was around 28 cents in truly beyond 4 months, showing how the GMT generally is down to nearly 5.27% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days. Extremely further